Hey everybody, Chrissy here, and I'm excited to share some brand new Gina K Designs product created exclusively for Therm O Web. So we have the stamp and foil again, along with some coordinating dies. And you can see here, I just grabbed one of the toner sheets. These are great because they're pre-printed sheets, and all you have to do is throw some foil on it and throw them through your laminator. Now, sometimes I do kind of destatic them just because I put a lot of lotion on my hands, and I've noticed that that can stop the foil from adhering. So this is already stamped. I shouldn't say stamped, this is already pre-printed. You can stamp it if you want, but I took the pre-printed sheet and then I stamped the center using some Gina K ink. So it was nice and solid. So I did that for 3 different leaves. So here I did the orange one, and now I'm doing a brown one. And then I'll do a lighter one. And these are so cool. These toner sheets are amazing because once the ink dries, you can put foil on it and you can run it through your laminator. And then the part of the toner sheet that was black turns into the foil. So it's just like the other sheets, just these are cool because they coordinate with stamps and they coordinate with dies. So I also ran that one through my laminator, and you can see I just kind of trimmed them down. And now I'm just going to start assembling them on my front card panel. My panel is cut to 4 by 5 1/4. And those little strips, I don't think I even really measured them. Like one's about a 1/2 inch, and then it goes down to about 1/4, and then about 1/8. They're all kind of approximate. So a little trick that I do is I cut them a little bit larger than what my panel will be, and then I just trim off the excess. Otherwise, sometimes I end up with stuff being too short and it just doesn't match up right, and then I have to redo it. So I also stamped a sentiment there from that stamp set. And now I am also going to foil, like I said, those little stamped flowers. So like I said, toner sheet, stamp on top of it, ink dries, then go ahead and add your foil. So you can do all 3 at once. This goes super quick, by the way. So if you are in the need of a card to be done super fast, grab your stamping foils, grab your Gina K, grab your deco foil, get it going, because I'm not kidding you, this can take you 5 minutes or less to make these cards. And they look super professional because you have foil all over the place, and then people look at it and go, oh my gosh, how'd they do that? Especially when you use the dies, because then you don't even have to cut them. You literally can take your purple tape, put the die on there, you're gonna line it up, put it on there, and run it through a die cutting machine. So I should mention too that I used the Sweet Mango ink in the Sandy Beach, and then the Charcoal Brown. Those are all Gina K ink colors. And then I also used the Sweet Mango foil, so that coordinates together for the veins on the leaves. So just wanted to mention that in case you wanted to emulate this card. And for that 3rd leaf, I just popped that one up just to give it a little bit of height. You can see the other card that I made. Those are sunflowers, and I kind of used the exact same technique. I just laid out the card differently and used a few different foils. So thanks so much for stopping by today. We'd love to find you online, so use hashtag ThermOWeb and hashtag DecoFoil, and we will see you out there. Have a great day.